We would like to pay tribute to our beloved director sir, Mr. Y.K. Guruvara, for his vision and extraordinary efforts in transforming the education system and in his mission to provide stress-free education to all the students.
Education means to draw out what a child already has within. Teaching for Mr. Guruvara began in 1969 as a passion. Emerging from humble beginnings in Jhansi, he followed his inner voice before settling down in Hyderabad and starting his own school in 1984. Today, over 5 decades later, having educated hundreds of thousands of students, teaching to him is beyond being a passion, or dare I say, even an obsession. It is his singular way of life, a life he continues to dedicate to building the future of the country and the world.
Our director sir is a visionary who believes in providing stress-free environment for students. He has been diligently trying for it. He ensures that the students are not into a rat race. His philosophy says school education is a joyful journey, not a race. He wanted to provide a platform for students to help them grow naturally in and away from the classroom. He believes in child-centered approach through experiential learning. He is driven by his passion of teaching mathematics and physics.
He has been a sportsman, an accomplished cricketer, and an excellent badminton player. He also is a firm believer of the fact that sports builds character of an individual. Our school has a large playground which includes a cricket pitch, a football ground, volleyball court, and basketball court. The latest addition is the long jump pitch.
The most awaited event each year is our annual day. Annual day at Sherwood Public School is not a mere event, but a momentous occasion where the entire school comes together.
Sherwoodians march in unison to the tune of the patriotic songs to form India. Director Sir believes that the young generation is the torchbearer of the country who maintain the ideals of secularism, peace, tolerance, love, and pride for the country.
Music plays a crucial role in shaping the minds of students. It was our sir's vision to have school band, school choir and orchestra, which we see in action on different occasions. Sir's encouragement has motivated students to produce original songs. The first song titled Dream It, Do It was performed at the annual day 2023 and has received widespread acclaim. The second song, Dastan, was produced to celebrate Sherwood's 40th anniversary and has garnered over 1.5k views on our official YouTube page.
In today's competitive world, a child must acquire two types of skills: hard skills, which are nothing but academics, and soft skills, that are the important virtues. With this vision, Mr. Y.K. Guruvara in 1919 gave a small but significant beginning to an adventurous program in Sherwood. He took the first batch of ICSE on a small trek from Sherwood to Shamirpet. There has been no looking back since then. The journey of adventure of countless excursions has benefited thousands of children for more than 30 years now. The adventurous courses have enabled the students of Sherwood and Heritage to be fearless, to enable themselves to build stamina by taking part in the following activities: trekking on the plains of Sherwood to Shamirpet, to the sea beaches, to the deserts of Rajasthan, to the hills of Parmachi, to the mountains of mighty Himalayas, from sea level to the 14,000 feet high. Learning by participating in such adventurous activities like rappelling, rock climbing, parasailing, paragliding, whitewater rafting, and snow gliding.
You must be wondering what this beautiful expanse of greenery is. Welcome to our lovely Heritage Valley, the Indian School. Guruvara Sir knew that children need more than just classrooms to truly discover their passions and potential.
After the success of Sherwood Public School, he and Jyoti ma'am founded Heritage Valley, nestled 70 kilometers away from the bustling city, amidst green fields, small hillocks, and valleys. This is a place where learning goes beyond textbooks, where education is child-centered, not parent or teacher-centered.
With his belief in learning by doing, he developed innovative parks like science, math, and geography parks, encouraging conceptual growth through experiential learning. He trusts that students learn best from each other, making peer group learning the most effective method.
Lead me higher, lead me deeper, lead me beyond.
From the lush green campus to the majestic Himalayas, Guruvara Sir's vision is clear: for every child to grow emotionally, socially, physically, spiritually, and intellectually. Every experience shapes them into confident, fearless individuals. Avoid fear, it grows. Face fear, it goes. Here, in this beautiful natural setting, Guruvara Sir created a place where children can grow naturally, from meditation and yoga for spiritual growth to sports that builds physical endurance and flexibility. Heritage Valley nurtures every aspect of a child's development.
Mr. Y.K. Guruvara's dream was to give children a happy childhood. He has transformed his dream into his life's mission and purpose. A passionate teacher, a true facilitator, a generous soul, and a guide, Mr. Yogendra Kumar Guruvara has been lighting up the lives of countless students for 4 decades now. Thank you, sir, for making our school experience a truly joyful one, which we will cherish forever.